To quickly send a text with the swipe to text feature on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, you have to enable the swipe to call or text feature. To do so, open Phone app, tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right, and then tap setting. Scroll down the screen, tap other call setting, and then tap the gray on option next to swipe to call or text until the switch on screen to turn it on. To see how it works, go to your contact list or recent call list. Find the contact you want to message, and then swipe left on their name or number to open the messaging app. Once the messaging app opens, you can then type your text and then send it when you are ready. Given to the function, you can use this feature to make messaging faster and easier. With this feature, instead of opening the Messages app manually, you can swipe left on a contact to jump right into a conversation, saving you time and effort. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.